Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can enable two-factor authentication. So as I've mentioned last time, you want to press on your name and then go to account. Once you're inside account, you just want to open up the tab. Once you're in this tab, go over to your passwords and security. Scroll all the way to the bottom and then you want to just click on this. Just click on it and then they're gonna tell you to get the authenticator app, blah blah blah, and then you want to press on activate, and that's about it. That's how you can enable two-factor authentication. Now for me, my email one is enabled as my two-factor authentication, and that's all I need. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, as well as hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well, so that you don't miss any of the future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.